Look at the forecast. This is a live look over Mount Clemens, and you can't see much. You know, a couple headlights, not many people out on the roads right now. Gloomy conditions, Brett.
Yeah, and it's not going to be incredibly gloomy for everybody today. There are some storms that are possible, so if you are in an area that gets hit by a storm, it could be very brief, but it could be very heavy downpours, but we're not expecting any severe weather today, and most of us could stay dry. So it really kind of depends on where you're at and how things shape up the rest of the day. But we are looking again at kind of those lingering storm chances going on throughout most of the week here as we look at conditions in the 70s today, going into the 80s later in the afternoon, but again, 72 right now in Detroit, 70 in Monroe, 72 in Pontiac. You saw those cloudy skies there this morning, but we do see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies today, even again, some scattered storm chances later on in the day, but this is very localized, really depends on where you're at, and it's really kind of sporadic throughout the area here where the storm chances are. Temperatures going into the 80s. Right now we are tracking a storm that is moving through the Jackson area, moving west right now into Washtenaw County from the Jackson area. So again, that is just kind of developing here this morning, but we expect those storm chances kind of on and off throughout the day. Here's a look at the futurecast. You can see what I'm talking about as far as sporadic storm chances. This is by no means exactly where the storms are going to be placed, but they could be popping up throughout the area. And again, they're set to be brief, could be strong downpours, even some strong wind gusts in those localized storms. But that'll kind of dissipate throughout the evening. You see, you actually have some wildfire smoke coming back, and we'll talk about that in a second. But then into Sunday night. So most of Sunday stays dry. Into Sunday night is where we have a return chance for some storms, even in a severe weather threat. Well, it is a marginal risk. We do have that severe weather threat. So here's Sunday. You can see the marginal risk is for Monroe County, parts of Washtenaw County, a sliver in the southwest corner of Wayne County, but mostly south and to the west. Then on Monday, that's a better chance for storm coverage throughout the area. We actually go up to 2, so it's a level 2 out of 5 is the yellow part. The slight risk, that'll be Monroe County, most of Wayne County, Washtenaw County, even a sliver there of Livingston County to the southwest corner. And then the rest of us to the north, just below the thumb, just south of the thumb, will be in a marginal risk. That's a 1 out of 5 for an isolated threat. As far as the wildfire smoke, this time coming from British Columbia area here, moving out to the east over Michigan. So it's not going to be as bad as it was maybe a month ago. If you remember those wildfires from Minnesota and northern Canada, or southern Canada, but north of Minnesota. This is going to be a little bit less than that, but we do see some smoke moving into the area Sunday night into Monday, could linger a bit into Monday as well. So that is something also on the radar for the weekend. As far as temperatures, today's forecast, 88 in Detroit, 88 Mount Clemens, 86 in Pontiac, so mid to upper 80s, but again, those storm chances lingering throughout the day. Sunday, we do see mostly sunny throughout the day, but then those storm chances return, or tonight's forecast, mostly clear tonight into tomorrow. 64 in Detroit, 62 Mount Clemens, upper 50s in some other spots as well. So here's a better look again at the 7-day. You can see still the 80s throughout pretty much all the next 7 days. Sunday, we do have those storm chances later in the evening, so it should be relatively dry throughout Sunday, but then Monday, we have another chance for possibly severe weather. Kira?
Thank you, Brett.